this is the SweetTarts cocktail. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Smirnoff Wild Honey flavored vodka. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of triple sec orange flavored liqueur. Want to make sure you roll your lime to get all the juices flowing. All right, get the lime juice in there. We're gonna give it a solid rushy rush. Take your glass, put a giant ice block in it on the rocks, and then we're gonna strain it out over the top of that rock, and that is the SweetTart cocktail. You can also make it a shot. Bam, right there. That is the SweetTart cocktail right there, and this is the SweetTart shot. Let's give it a taste. Ho ho ho! That is a SweetTart! Oh my god, it tastes so good! It's just in time for Halloween! Woo! That's the stuff.